Yes, good morning, friends. I said that there are two methods, big methods too, and last we are going to see one small method that I will tell you later. And the first method, the average profit method, under it we have seen two types. One, the simple average profit, other one is weighted average profit. And that average profit, there are two methods we have seen already. Under super profit method, what we have seen, purchase of super profit method we have seen already, and only one is left with, that is called annuity method, that we are going to see the annuity method. What is the speciality of this annuity method? I will tell you later. Before that, I will write the formula for goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit into, usually we write, if it is under average profit into number of years of purchase. If it is super profit under purchase method, super profit into number of years of purchase. But here this is annuity method, therefore super profit into value of annuity. Value of annuity. Super profit into value of annuity. This is the formula. So, what about the super profit? We have seen already. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. We should find the average profit, then we should pass on to the normal profit. Then after finding it, minus it, you can find the super profit. Now, average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit by number of years. Total profit by number of years. What is the amount of total profit? 16, 17, 18, 13,000 plus 15,000 plus 17,000. Whole divided by, there are 3 years, by 3. This is equal to 45,000 by 3, which is equal to 15,000. This is average profit. Then, how to find the normal profit? Normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Normal rate of return. This is capital employed into normal rate of return. What is the amount of capital employed? The capital employed is equal to 50,000 into normal rate of return 10%, that is 10 by 100, which is equal to 5,000. 5,000. This is the example given behind the exercise. In the same model you can see it. I don't want to continue it further. Or we can do it once again. This is 15,000. This is illustration number 9. Illustration number 9, this is 5,000. Therefore, super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Minus normal profit. Average profit minus normal profit. Average profit 15,000 minus normal profit 5,000. So which is equal to 10,000. 10,000. This is the super profit. So how to find the goodwill? Goodwill is equal to super profit 10,000 into the value of annuity. It is given 2.4868. So this is equal to 24868. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 4 digits. So this is equal to 24,868. This is the amount of goodwill. It is given in the problem. That is under illustration. Under illustration. See, this we are doing under annuity method of super profits. What is under annuity method of super profit? How to calculate goodwill? Goodwill is equal to super profit into value of annuity. The value of annuity is given in the book itself that we are writing. So we must find the super profit as usual. So first what we should do to find the super profit, we must find the average profit and the normal profit. For average profit, 3 years profit is given and therefore add the 3 years profit and divide it by 3. You will get 15,000. To find the normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed in the problem itself, it is given 50,000 and normal rate of return 10%, that is 10 by 100. Therefore, super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit, which is equal to 10,000. Therefore, super profit is 10,000 into value of annuity. This we have multiplied. This annuity is how it is arrived at. It is given in the problem itself. In the examination also, it will be given in the problem. There is a table called annuity table. In the annuity table, what is given? One side it is year, other side percentage. This 5%, 10%, 15%, like that it will be going on. Here, in the year column, it will be for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, like this it will be given like this. This is the table. In this problem, you can find in the illustration. Three years at 10%. 3 years at 10%. So 3 years at 10%. What is the value given here? The value given here is 2.4868. From this table, this value is taken and it is written here. If it is 3 years, 15%. In this place, there will be a value we can find. If it is 3 years, 5%, there will be a value here. If it is for 2 years, 10%, the value will be here. This is the annuity table. From this table, ready-made table only, we did not calculate this value. From this ready-made table only, the value is given and it is fixed and it is written there. We need not calculate this value. Okay, now we shall pass on 9. We shall pass on to the problem number 9 from the exercise. 9. Yes, here also the work has been made easier. What is it? Instead of, in the example it is given, we must find 3 years profit is given. We have found out the average profit. But in this problem, the average profit is readily given. That is why I did the example. The average profit is readily given. In the example illustration number 9, 3 years profit was given and we found out. But here in this problem, average profit is readily given as 14,000. And normal profit is also given readily as 4,000. And normal rate of return 15%, years of purchase 5, it is given. Okay, now we can find easily because these two items are readily given. The average profit is 14,000 minus normal profit. Normal profit is 4,000, it is also readily given. We need not calculate. And therefore the super profit is equal to 10,000. Now we can come to the valuation of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to super profit minus super profit into value of annuity. What is the super profit? 10,000 into, here what is given? 3, that is 15% per annum as per annuity table for 5 years. Years of purchase of goodwill, 5 years at 15%. 5 years at 15%. In the table in this place, the value given is 3.352. Like this, only from the table the value is picked and given in the problem. So 5 years 15%. 5 years 15%. The value given is 3.352. Now you can multiply 3352, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. It is 3.352. 3 digits, therefore put the point after 3 digits. Therefore this is equal to 33,520. This is 33,520. This is the value of goodwill. So under this method, once again I repeat, goodwill is equal to super profit into value of annuity. This value of annuity is given in the problem itself straight away. And in the previous problem, we have calculated average profit. In this problem, it is given straight away. That is in illustration, we have calculated, here it is given straight away. Likewise, normal profit also in the last problem, that is under illustration 9, we have calculated, but here it is readily given. Therefore, average profit and normal profit are readily given. We can find the super profits by subtracting one from the other. Therefore, 10,000. Now we are coming to the formula. Super profit is equal to 10,000 into 3.352. It is the annuity factor, it is given in the problem itself. So you multiply and find the value of goodwill.